Hello and welcome to this video about the new AI-based explainer panel in WebLOAD. So what is this new panel that we're talking about? This is basically an integration with ChatGPT. ChatGPT, you're not aware of, it's an artificial intelligent product by OpenAI where they can get a prompt and generate responses. So we've integrated that inside WebLOAD to get very interesting insights. So let me show you what I mean. So this is the WebLOAD dashboard. Hopefully you're familiar with it. If not, then you should definitely check it out. But what it does, it shows information about the load test that you were running. Okay, so this is just an example of a run that I have. This was the load size. That was the hits per second, page time, etc. So for someone that doesn't know or doesn't have a lot of experience with load testing, those graphs are sometimes hard to understand. So the load size is how many users we have. Okay, we get that. But then the page time um, does something, stays the same, and then goes up. We don't always know what it is supposed to do, and is that okay or not? And that's where the new explainer panel comes in. So this is a new type of panel that we have in the dashboard, and we have a built-in dashboard to show you that, but then you can customize it. Let me show you what it looks like. So that's the explainer dashboard. So what it does, it basically gets this data and sends it over to ChatGPT and asks for its kind of comments on it. Let's see what it says. So the data. So first of all, there is some static data that you can see. Even if you don't have the integration, you will still have this explainer dashboard, the new explainer dashboard. If you don't want to integrate it with ChatGPT, that's fine. You will see these kind of explainers that are more static explanations. So the page time is an average time in seconds it takes to get a page, and it's e-resources. So that's the meaning of what a page is and the page time. And page time should fairly be consistent even as the load size increases. So that just gives you a general review of what you should be looking for when you're looking for the graph. So that already gives you some kind of help in order to understand what the graphs mean. But then this is what ChatGPT thinks about it. So it looks and it sees that the page shows as the load size increases, the page time also generally increases. We can see it here, indicating a potential performance issue, which is great. That's exactly what it is. So that's what it is. We expect the page time. There is something in the beginning which ChatGPT knows that it's okay that there are some fluctuations. It can get that. But then when it's stable, that we get a fairly stable page time, which is good. But then we have not so good page time, and that's potentially a performance degradation. So that's what this feature is about. And again, it's part of the product. You can customize it here. You can select other metrics if you want. You can add, let's say, hits per second. So we'll get also now we have hits per second, page time, and throughput. So now we'll have the explanation about hits per second. And in general, it's just a type of panel, so you can create your own in other dashboards or other scenarios. You can go ahead and select the explainer panel. So the explainer panel is basically where you can select the metrics you want to have. So load size will always have it for just to get some background information, and then whatever metric you want, and this would get sent to the ChatGPT API, and we'll get back the answer. And again, that's just a panel you can use anywhere in the dashboards that you have. That's it. Thanks for watching, and hope you will enjoy this very cool and useful feature. So let us know what you think.